In LibreOffice Calc, in a previous video, we created a simple table and then applied a simple conditional format to the range in that table. We now want to sum the values and then compare them across the different columns. In order to do this, we can click on an empty cell beneath the range and push the Alt and plus key on the keyboard to create the sum function for the range that is directly above it. That is the Alt and the plus key on the keyboard. Pushing it again will allow us to see that this function can be created for the values above it. If we needed to, we can also do this for the ranges by going across horizontally as well. Once we have created our summed values, we can select the range that we want to format, go to Conditional, go to Icon Set, and then select the 5 arrows or the 5 rating system and apply a conditional format based on the values instead of percentages. For instance, 1 bar will be 4, 2 bars will be 6, 3 bars will be 8, 4 bars will be 10. When we click the OK button, we can see that this now reflects in the values that we summed for this table. This allows us to quickly and easily compare the columns based on visual cues as well as the numerics.